thing he said was, "God, I wish you'd been with me." And in his and my relationship, natural
fuck!
for him to say, because I wish I'd
Shit.
been with him too.
Emergency video.
Oh, you fuck!
That I would like love to own physically is their self-titled.
Yeah. Careful. Current loop video is now locked.
Therapy session. It's called the Pandy, a lifelike plush toy designed and powered by AI. It makes you feel loved, supported, and helps during tough times. The Pandy uses AI-powered motion sensors that gently react to your touch. So when you cuddle it, it actually cuddles.
Come on.
Their yellow Mercedes and explaining cats lived outdoors for 10,000 years. It's never going to stop. But I went to the store and I bought you some Gorilla and this car cover. Use it every time you park.
Oh, you have a dash cam. Do you like it? I need a better one. I want one that also films inside. So we can get your reaction. I'm crashing! Oh. Totally fine. You want to just turn left? Like that? Oh my god. That's why I want an interior dash cam. Cody, I'm so sorry.
Quarter mile. Turn right onto Montiel Road.
Donbass region, it was like independence for the Donbass region, and then the agreement that the rest of Ukraine would not join NATO. That was the deal that they had worked out. And look at where...
Doesn't like President Zelensky, but the sheer personality of those two would mean that they cannot sit down for a meeting. I think what matters most today is going to be how President Trump reacts to these strikes, which President Zelensky says is...
Whoa! Whoa! What?
In Scottsdale. Right now, receive 1.9% financing for up to 60 months on the brand new 2025 Mazda CX-50 or CX-50 Hybrid.
Jesus fucking Christ.
$10,000 off the top of MSRP when you lease a brand new 20...
Alex 24 gaat zo aansluiten, tevens inbox opgeleid.
Ja, is ontvangen.
Ja, ik ga zeggen. Ik ben inderdaad even langer ervan.
Voertuig gecrashed. Voertuig gecrashed. Op de kop. Koentunnel.
Exactly right. He's very methodical in looking at the preparatory work. He goes through the idea of firstly identifying people by reference to their affiliation to a particular group, then restrictions on education, restrictions on the use of language, restrictions on housing, then they've got to live in a particular place, then they can't do certain jobs, then they've got to be gathered together in certain places.
Fun in the heart of Winston-Salem. It's gotta be Earl. Restaurant served up inspired Southern
Fucking
cooking,
Christ,
whiskey
dude.
bar and free live
What
music
the
in a
fuck?
down-home spot. Come try Earl's Smash Burgers
God
and fried chicken
damn.
with crispy Brussels.
Oh, Jesus! What the fuck?
Emergency video.
his plate. Did you get his plate number?
I don't even know where we are.
Don't get my location.
Oh, they hit each other. They just hit each other.
Pull over.
They're hitting each other.
Hey, there's these two cars that just hit each other right now.
They're road raging.
They're road raging. They just hit. The white Nissan just hit.
Fuck is wrong with you? She got a gun. She got a gun. Get in the car. She got a gun. She got a gun. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. She got a gun. I have my kid. Give her my number. I have a video.
Could you tell me where you're at? And show you